So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect? Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or maybe you're wondering why some homes are sitting on the market while others sell fast. The truth is, the market is shifting. Inventory is up, buyers have more options. And when they have more options, they take their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, here are a few things you need to do before you list. Let me walk you through 3 simple but very essential steps to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Number 1, fix the little things before you list. First things first, get ahead of buyer objections. Most buyers right now are tight on cash. Interest rates are higher, and that means they don't want to take on repairs right after closing. So before you list, walk through your home, look for anything that a buyer might flag. Things like loose doorknobs. You can easily repaint scuffed walls, fix the leaky faucet in the bathroom. Fix those things now. They may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether buyers see it as move-in ready or as a project. If those repairs are also needed during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill the deal. So create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next, staging. And no, this doesn't mean hiring a designer or buying all new furniture. It means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine living there. Start by decluttering. Clear off countertops, remove extra furniture, and box up anything personal, like family photos or bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm. Add simple touches like fresh towels in the bathroom, bowl of lemons in the kitchen. This will help buyers focus on your home's best features instead of your personal style. And when they can see themselves living there, that's when offers start coming in. Next, make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook. How your home feels during the showings matter. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works. It's best if you can step out during showings and take pets with you. Buyers will feel more comfortable and spend more time exploring the home. It does take a little effort, but it goes a long way toward creating the right impression. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off, make it easy for buyers to visit. And if you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I'm happy to walk through it with you. Just reach out. Let's put together a plan that helps your home sell quickly and for the best possible price.